We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. All instructions and details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcasting cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KPLC News. We will continue to serve the former Lake Charles operational area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Lake Charles operational area. We will continue to furnish news for your area. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All programming has been suspended during this emergency. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news to the public in assigned areas. This is KPLC News. We will continue to serve the Lake Charles operational area. The emergency alert system has been activated.